In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem your Walmart cash balance. If you're shopping in-store, open the Walmart app and sign in to your Walmart account. At the register or self-checkout, scan the on-screen QR code using the scanner in the Walmart app, Walmart Pay, or your phone's camera. Next, tap Use Walmart Cash. Your Walmart cash balance will be converted into a Walmart e-gift card and applied to your purchase. If there is any remaining balance, choose your preferred payment method to cover the rest. If you're shopping online, sign in to your Walmart account on walmart.com or the Walmart app. During checkout, go to the Payment Method section and tap Apply next to your Walmart cash balance. Your Walmart cash will be applied to the order, and you can choose a payment method for any remaining amount. If you want to cash out your Walmart cash in-store, open the Walmart app or walmart.com on your phone and sign in to your account. Go to the Walmart cash page by tapping How to Get More or Get More. Then tap Cash Out in-store. You must have at least $25 in Walmart cash to use this option. Next, tap Show Cash Out Barcode to generate your unique barcode. Take the barcode and a valid government-issued photo ID to the money center or customer service desk at any Walmart store. Show both to the associate who will scan the barcode and process your cash redemption. Keep in mind that the barcode expires after 3 hours and the name on your ID must match the name on your Walmart account. And that's it. That's how you redeem your Walmart cash balance.